What is up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be playing some Battlefield 1943. Ooh, I never used this gun before. I just got the game yesterday, and I'm gonna be playing this airplane superiority type crap. I think I said that wrong, but I don't care. I am the worst airplane flyer, and I just kind of managed to get a hang of the controls today, so I don't expect some elite flying skills. And I killed him, and he killed me. Oh, I'm guessing I'm the Japanese, so that's what I'm supposed to do. Fly and kill myself. Oh. Alright, we're gonna be doing some airplane movements, some cool ones. Oh! And I'm still in third. Oh, that's Funko. Alright, we're gonna play serious now and try to get some kills. Alright, let's play serious now. Where are they? Oh, there's one. Why the fuck? I always do that shit. Ah! Alright, here we go. Try once more time. Damn, that dude trying to fucking kill me, man. Damn it. I wish they can like put the airplane in third person, but can't play like this. I'm the horrible, horrible fucking pilot. Alright, I'm gonna try get that guy. Son of a bitch. Come on, before the airplane gets me. Come on, come on. I better fucking do a turn because I know that fucker's gonna. Oh, shit. See, they're already shooting at me, man. That's not cool, bro. Come on, where are you? The fuck are you? I'm gonna get that guy. Fuck him. They wouldn't dare fly this low. They're not like me. Come on, bitch. Get them shots. Wasn't my kill, but I don't care. Oh, damn, that shit sounded weird. Oh, we got one right here. Come on, come on. Turn, 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 turn. No. Turn. Come on, higher. I'm losing you. Come on. The fuck are you? How the hell did I miss that, dude? Come on. Come on, give me them hits. Yeah! Fuck face. Ah, god damn it. Damn, bros. That was my actual first legit kill. The other one's when I crash into them. I think that's a bad guy. I'm not sure. There's one. Bitch trying to crash on me. Not today, fuckface. No! Damn. I think I'm gonna try using the these fuckers. See if I can kill one of them. If I see one. Alright, come on, all of y'all fly over here. Yeah, bitch. Not sure if that was an enemy. Here comes one. Come on. It's hard to aim with this little fucker. Yeah, bitch. Alright, let's fire this fucking airplane. Come on. Do it for Japan. Go. My shit plane's already smoking. Come on. I watched the movie Soul Plane. I know how to fly them. Yeah, killed you again, motherfucker. Alright, we're gonna try. Oh, hell yeah, you can do third person. Ah, fuck, I'm retarded. It is way much better like this. Way much easier for me. Never mind, I don't think it is much easier for me. Oh, it's because I'm not used to the... I'm not used to the controls like this. God, that sucks. 5 kills, but... I don't know, I think that was horrible. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Peace!